Hello everyone, my name is Vakar. In this video, we are going to be learning about how we can create a WFS shipment plan and how we can send our inventory to the WFS warehouse. So before we deep dive into this, you need to ensure a couple of things. The first thing is that you need to ensure you are registered into the WFS program, because if you are not registered, you will not be able to create any shipment plans or send any inventory to the WFS warehouse. So if you're not registered already, you have to register first. If you want to know how to get yourself registered, just check out my video. I will put the link in the description of this video. The second thing you have to make sure is that your item that you're going to send to the WFS warehouse, you need to make sure it is converted to the WFS fulfilled mode. Okay, so whenever you upload an item on the Walmart, you have an option to either upload it as seller fulfilled or as Walmart fulfilled. So just make sure your item is WFS fulfilled. So once everything is set up, you can go ahead and create a shipment plan and send your inventory to the WFS warehouse. So I'm gonna jump into my computer now, just follow along. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Seller Central, and from the left hand menu you need to go to the WFS tab, and from here send inventory. Again, if you're not enrolled into the WFS program, you will not be able to see this WFS tab here. So click on send inventory. It will take you to a new page where you can see all of your previous shipments, and you can create your new shipments from this page as well. So you will click on create inbound order, and you need to make sure that you have a return address there. I'm gonna blur it. Obviously I don't want anyone knocking at my door at 2 a.m. So here you will put the expected delivery date. It's just expected date. It's okay if it's not exact. So I'm just gonna select 14th, and here you can search your items that you want to send. I usually search with the item name or item ID. In this case I'm gonna use the item ID. So I'm just gonna put the item ID and press enter, and the item is added. We will now enter the item quantity, the number of units we want to send to WFS. I'm gonna send 20 units, and in pack configuration it obviously depends on how your products are packed. Either they are case pack or individual. I have my products in case pack configuration. Units per case, definitely if we have case pack, in my case it's 10 units per case. So here this is very important, the packaging and label settings. Remember, Walmart doesn't accept items that are labeled with ASIN codes like Amazon. Walmart only accepts the items that are labeled with either UPC codes or GTIN codes. Okay, so if your items are not labeled with either of these, I mean the UPC or GTIN, you can go with the standard label option. What Walmart will do is it basically will label your items with a UPC or GTN code, and it will charge you 45 cents per unit. Okay, in my case I don't need this option because my products are already labeled with UPC code, so I'm just gonna cancel it and leave it as it is, and then I'm gonna submit the order. You will click on view shipments and acknowledge. The page will refresh and you will see your new shipment here. Now you will click on prepare shipment, and here just make sure everything is the quantity and everything is correct. Then go to the shipment and labeling section. From here you can either use WFS preferred carrier or some other carrier of your choice. It's up to you, but I prefer WFS preferred carrier since it provides very good rates. So if your shipment is small, definitely you will go with small parcel, and you just need to fill out your address here. Leave the carrier as it is. Just fill out the address information and then click on enter package on web. Okay, now we need to enter the package details. We are gonna go with multiple boxes since we are sending more than one box. So under number of packages, you are gonna enter 2 since we're sending 2 boxes, and under box weight, we are gonna enter the weight of the box. Remember, it is the weight of one box, okay? So Walmart will multiply itself with the number of boxes that you are sending. We will enter the dimensions and then package content. We will go with single SKU since we have only one SKU in our case, okay? And then we click on confirm and calculate charges. Oops, we missed the contact name. Okay, confirm and calculate charges. Now Walmart is gonna show you the estimated shipping cost. It's $10.2 in my case. I'm just gonna agree and accept the charges. Here you go. The charges are accepted. Now we can generate the labels, put them on the box and ship our items. So first we are gonna generate courier labels, and here we need to select the ship date. Let's say you are shipping on 12th, so you need to select 12th and then click on generate labels. And here you go, you have your labels. Print them and put them on the boxes. We have 2 labels here and we have 2 boxes, so put 1 on each. And then next we are gonna be printing receiving labels. Here again we have 2 labels and 2 boxes, so you stick 1 label on each box, and that's it. That's pretty much. Okay, just for your information, you have 23 hours and 59 minutes, actually 24 hours, to avoid the labels. In case you need to make some changes in the shipment, you can just come here and void the charges and create a new shipment plan or edit this current shipment plan, okay? So in case of LTL shipments, the process is pretty much same. You just need to schedule an appointment with the WFS warehouse before delivering the goods to their warehouse, okay? In case you're going with other carrier option, the process is pretty much same for the small parcel, and in case of LTL you need to schedule the appointment. That's it. If you're looking for managed services for your Walmart and Amazon accounts, you can check out the link in the description of this video.